My Toto washlet is not spraying. When it comes out to spray, water comes out around it and under it, but not out of the holes on the sprayer. I have tried unplugging for 5 minutes, tested the seat sensor, it is working, and have tried cleaning the filter.
Do you know the model of your Toto? Have you talked to a plumber yet?
Model C100 model no. SW 2033 number 01.
How long has this been going on with your Toto washlet? What have you tried so far?
1 day.
Is there anything else the plumber should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I listed previously what I have tried. What is the charge for your help?
Push the stop button on the controller and wait for a few seconds if you are having problems getting the spray to work. Once the unit no longer makes a sound, push the cleansing button, front or rear, for your desired spray area. This should get the spray going again.
I tried that a couple days ago and it didn't work. I had also tried leaving it unplugged for 15 minutes and then trying it. That didn't work either. Finally, I left it unplugged for several hours and it suddenly started working.
Okay, glad to hear you got the issue resolved. You can always refer to your manual or call Moen if issue keeps persisting as well. Thanks for using JustAnswer.com, have a nice day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.